I'm SYEDS NAZMEEN. I completed my education in my hometown, Koppal. I completed my engineering from Government Engineering College, Thirkal. And after my graduation, I joined JSPIDERS as I selected as an incubation selection from my college. After joining, I take the course of a Java full stack course, and where the JSPIDERS Basavanagudi branch and trainers helped me while in learning and in all the mock interviews and the trainers aptitude presentations in all fields. They helped me and they encouraged me. And after my 6 month of course of Java full stack, I thanks Vinay sir who taught me the programming in Java, and also thanks the Manoj sir who taught me the SQL, the fundamentals, the basics and the advanced. And I also thanks the whole trainers of JSPIDERS Basavanagudi, Bengaluru, who taught me and make me this enabled to give the interview and clear the interview and got placed from a JSPIDERS. And last, I thank you so much JSPIDERS Basavanagudi, Bengaluru.